Welcome, yeah man, a Jamaican herbal laws. Yeah man, we grow herb for teas, we grow fruits and vegetables, but most of all, herb for tea. Yeah man, it's an amazing day. There is so much to give thanks for. Yeah man, so much to give thanks for. The sun is shining and it's a great day. Yeah, man, amazing. And in today's episode, yeah, man, I want to unpack, a set of pruning tool. Yeah, man, once you are doing gardening, you have to have good pruning tool. And this one says Marigold TM since 1958. Yeah, so I want to use it up. And also, in today's episode, yeah, man, I want to plant a grapevine. Yeah, man. Hear it on the grapevine. Yeah, man. We are not tail bearer, but we hear it on the grapevine. Yeah. So, that's what we are doing. So, I'm gonna sip some bush tea, some fever grass. Yeah, man. From Iman Garden. Yeah. So, stay tuned. Let's unpack. So let's get the ball a roll. So yeah, I'm gonna test my Marigold TM, where them say since 1958. Yeah man, I'm going to test it on the mulberry first. Yeah? So, sharp like razor. Yeah. So I tried the big one. Now I'm going to try the smaller one. Yeah? One cut. One cut. Yeah. So, yeah, I went to Price Mart. Yeah, man. So you have a Price Mart in Kingston, Jamaica, and you have a Price Mart in Portmore, St. Catherine. So you can find this tool at Price Mart. You can check whether Kingston or St. Catherine. And as I say, the name of it is Marigold, and it's since 1950. Come a little closer, come a little closer. Yeah. So, if you come a little closer, yeah, you see the mulberry fruit? Yeah. Yeah, man. But I just want to prune it up, yeah, and just let it grow, shorter where I can reach the fruits. Because when I'm there far, yeah, by the time you pick them burst up. Yeah, man. And it's a tree that bear already. So yes, herbal laws, extended family. Yeah, man. I want to plant this grapevine right behind me here. Yeah, man, because I want to create a trellis. A trellis? Yeah, for the plant. Let's go. So we are in the month of March, and in February we celebrate Black History Month. And in Jamaica, and in the diaspora, we celebrate Reggae Month. Now in the month of February, it's Bob Marley birthday, Dennis Brown birthday. But we also celebrate Reggae Month, where we celebrate our reggae icons. Now, it is sadly, that our reggae legend, Cocotti, has passed away. Yeah, man, and is saying condolence to his entire family, and condolence to the reggae arena, because Cocotti is a great reggae icon. Sight, we have lost a great icon in the reggae scene. Yeah, I make so much noise in the like of your house. Yeah, so I'm adding some water to the soil, to make it become a bit easier. So because I add the water to it, it make it much easier to dig it out. So Herbal Laws Extended family. Yeah. I put some mulch in it. Yeah. I put some evergrow soil. And I'm also going to put some pine skin and stuff in it, Hope it will make it sweet. Yeah. Yeah, man, add a little soil back over it. Yeah. So I bought this plant out by Hyper Saint Catherine, you know? Yeah, that's where I buy most of my plants. Yeah man, one of these plants are 1,300, you know? Yeah, I think it includes tax. So, yeah man, I get it out of the bag, just like that. And I rest it in the center of the hole. Yeah man. Yeah man, so I rest it in the center, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, put some water at it now. Herbal Laws Extended Family. Yeah, I, prune up this tree some time ago. Yeah, but I want to get out the dry roots. So I'm gonna get out the dry. Yeah, Herbal Laws Extended Family. Yeah man, so I cut off most of the dry branches. Yeah, so that it can, give it some more energy and vibration, because a lot of these are dead, Yeah man, a lot of them are dead. Yeah, the cutter, nice, powerful. Oh, yeah, I wonder why I'm a glass. Yeah, this is a mixture of pineapple strawberry and pomegranate. Yeah, just like how me a prune up the pomegranate tree. Yeah, man. So it's strawberry, pineapple, pomegranate. Yeah, man. Freshly juice, man. Freshly juice. Yeah, man. Wish I could have given some, you know? Mmm. Mmm. Irie. Mmm. Irie, man. Irie. Give thanks. Yeah, man. For you turning up for another episode. I appreciate your presence. Yeah, man, I appreciate. Yeah? For staying thus far. Yeah, man, so. See you in another episode. Yeah. So I'm just cutting up these. Yeah. To create my own biochar, you know? So as I said, I got this cutter, you know? Price Smart Jamaica. It's very powerful. See you in another one.